Good morning. It's a beautiful morning in Arizona, cool and breezy and clear. We had a little bit of a rain yesterday, but it sure left it nice today. Today I'm showing you a very nice 2017 Solitude ST375RES, like res. It's made by Grand Design, and I have to tell you, this really is a grand design, both in name and design. It's a little over 40 feet long. It's a 2-axle, but probably the most unique thing about it, if you look at the back, you see two huge outside storage areas, and in those storage areas there pass through there, and there's a huge slide out storage that slides out the rear, while most just have the front pass through storage. This one you climb up in the rear. There's stairs just like going over the fifth wheel to go up into the living area, then the kitchen and dining area. That's the dining window right there, and the bedroom is in the front. So you climb up a stairway to go to the front, and you climb up a stairway to go to the rear. And what that does is it creates an enormous amount of carriage underneath that living area. It's in very nice shape. I don't see any problems at all with the decals, the graphics. Everything is in very good shape, especially on the exterior. There's a couple little things on the interior, but we'll get to that. I think we just need to focus on what's really cool about this. It does have, as you can see, a digital antenna, 2 air conditioners, the normal pass-through storage there, the 6-point hydraulic automatic leveling. It looks, I forgot to ask the seller, but it looks like it may be set up to install a generator in this compartment. That's where the coach battery is, and it is pre-wired for solar, although there is no solar installed. It has the nice pivoting trail air fifth wheel hitch. Again, the exterior looks real nice. I see no dings or anything else about. The only thing on the exterior that I saw is this little area right here where this stuff does typically come apart and have some problems in the sun. There's no evidence of any leaks. There's no evidence of roof problems. I looked at the roof. It looks very nice. I'm sorry, let me get that back there for you. It is a 4 Seasons unit. It has the undercarriage insulation. In addition, it has, I believe it has the heated tanks, and it definitely has thermal windows, frameless windows, tinted. It's very nice. The storage areas, the undercarriage external storage, are vented and heated as well. 16-inch wheels, 5 slides. You can see 3 on this side, and there's 2 on the other. The rear slides are for the 2 couch sleeper beds. There's one that slides out this way and one that slides out the other way, and when they're opened up, they sort of meet in the middle. It's like one big playpen, if you may, of a sleeping area. I really like these ladders. You typically see these on toy haulers, but because of that external storage that slides out, they need to move the ladder to the side, and it's hinged so that when you're not using it, it folds up very close to the unit. I just have to show you this from the rear. I left it open just to show you, but I did want to let you know that it is pre-wired for a backup camera, a Furion. But take a look at this. Look at that storage area in there. It goes all the way to where the kitchen is. This thing slides out. The seller left stuff in there just to give you an idea of how much it'll hold, and that's nothing. I mean, it can hold a whole lot more. That's a seller's personal items, though. They don't come with the unit. It does have a sturdy bumper. It does not have a receiver hitch in the rear, but it does have a pretty sturdy bumper, so that you could likely add a bumper mounted hitch that shouldn't interfere with anything. You could use it for bike racks, additional carrying, which I don't know if you'd need or not on this. But here we have it. It's the 2017 Grand Design Solitude ST375RES in pretty good shape, really good shape. I do have to share that there are a couple of cosmetic issues on the inside. The dining table needs to be refinished a little bit due to some craft work they've done. There's some upholstery issues on one of the sofas. There are little dings here and there. But overall, it's in great shape. King-size bed, washer, dryer, with this incredible design. It's well worth a look. And if you're looking for something that if you're concerned about not having enough storage space and a nice livable fifth wheel, you need to take a look at this one. Hey, thank you for joining us today.